issue. That's why it wasn't working last time. Add. This server name is going to be called the same thing, 411 server 1. Then change password 01, password 01. So make sure you do the same steps for authenticating uh, authenticating routing and accounting. Jeez, take your time there. Okay. So now we got to restart the remote access server on 411 server 2. We can easily do that. Just go to the routing and remote access console, which is already open for me right here. Right click the 411 server. Go to all task. And then go to restart. And that will restart the routing and access console. On 411 server 1, we want to create a VPN now. Let's wait until this is done. Well, at least the clock's moving, so you know it's moving. Alright, so it's restarted now. And now we gotta go over to 411 server 1 to try to create a VPN. And I haven't been able to get it work today. And I've been working on it all day, so I just need to get it turned in, unfortunately. To restart the remote, okay, on 411 server 1, create a VPN client and connect to the 411 server 2. And this is pretty much just like the activity on 5.3. Last video that you guys probably saw of mine, if you're following along in my life. So with 5.3, we're doing the same thing which we did with 4.1.1.2, and we're doing the same thing with what we did with Win8. So here you would go to your network connections, right click, go to network connections, get rid of this stupid thing. Okay, on your network connections, you're going to change the IPv4 address right here for properties. And I've already switched to the 203.0.133.10, just how it tells you to. Subnet mask 255. Leave these both empty. So click OK. We're all set up on that. The DNS server list is empty. The local IP address will be configured as the primary DNS. And then we just go OK. Get into your network sharing. As you can wait for the network and sharing center, you got to set up a new connection. Connect to a workplace. Next. And you know what? No. We will get rid of that real quick. Just delete this real quick because it didn't work for me anyway. Okay. Go back to my network and sharing. Connect to a workplace. Next. Use my internet connection. Set it up later. And this is where we go to 3.0.113.1. I didn't have to call it that. I was just hoping something would help it. Okay, so now that we've tried to connect, you just got to enter in the username, and it's 411 server 2 VPN test 1, and then the password, of course, PASSWORD, capitalized P. Click OK. And like I said, I've been configuring the heck out of this today. I've been trying to figure out what I did wrong, and I honestly just need to get this turned into where I guess I'll take the points off of the assignment, but there's something wrong with the configurations, and I've been at it for about 3 or 4 hours trying to figure this out, and I'm just too busy. I gotta get some other stuff done in other classes. So if you had the right configurations, you would be able to connect to this, and it's not going to. I'm just waiting to see what error it gives me, to see if it gives me a different one, because I've had the 800 error, and I fixed that. That was something about the name. Then I had the 1231 error, which was a networking error, and when I did check out my network on server 2, Ethernet 0 was fine, but Ethernet 1 wasn't even working anymore. So I really just don't want to do any more damage to any of my servers, and plus this is also Scott's server. So I apologize that it may not have been like the accomplishment of the video that we want to see, like this being connected, but I showed you all the steps of how to get there. There's just a configuration error on my part that I haven't been able to figure out. But thank you for watching my video, and give me any feedback or comments or help. Alright, bye.